How to fix Mega App login problem. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open your phone and then at the top, scroll down your notification bar. You can turn on and off your Wi-Fi. Make sure you have stable Wi-Fi. If it still does not fix, open Settings. In Settings, click on Wi-Fi and Network at the top. After you click on Wi-Fi and network, click on VPN in here. In VPN, simply click on the gear icon. Make sure your VPN is disconnected. After you do that, go back to the settings main page and click on apps and notifications. After you click on apps and notifications, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply click on Mega App. Then click on Storage and Cache, which is the third option. Click on Clear Cache and Clear Storage. After you do that, you can open your Mega App and try to log in. Your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix Mega App login problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.